Hello everyone. Today we're going to practice dividing by threes. If you remember how to divide by twos, dividing by threes will be very simple. Now if you remember, there's two ways to see a division problem. It might look like the top one, 3 divided by 3, or it might look like this bottom one, 3 divided by 3. Now if you remember dividing by twos, we have to look at the second number if it looks like this problem, or the number on the outside, to know how many groups we need or how many circles we need. So the number in red is 3. So we need to draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Now the other number tells us how many dots we need to draw. Now if you remember, each circle has to get the same amount of dots. So we draw 1 dot in each circle until we have 3. 1, 2, 3. Now to solve the problem, we only have to look at one circle and see how many dots are inside. So we look at the one circle here, and we see there's 1 dot inside. So we know 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Alright, now here is 6 divided by 3. What numbers do we look at again to figure out how many circles or how many groups we need? Great job! If it looks like this kind of problem, we look at the second number to know how many groups we need, or if it's this kind of problem, we look at the number on the outside. So again, we need 3 circles or 3 groups. How many dots do we need to draw in this problem? Can you figure it out? Great job. If you remember, we need to look at the other number, and this will tell us how many dots we need to draw. Now what do you remember about when we draw the dots? We need to make sure we draw the same amount of dots in each circle. So let's draw 1 dot in each circle until we get 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then to solve the problem, what do? Yep, we look at one circle and see how many dots are on the inside. So how many dots are inside this circle? 2. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Now here's 9 divided by 3. How many groups do we need? If you said 3, you are correct. We need 3 groups. Now how many dots do we need to draw? If you said 9, you are also correct. We need 9 dots. Now how do we draw the dots? We need to make sure each circle gets what? The same amount of dots. So we draw 1 dot in each circle until we have 9 dots. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now how do we solve the problem? If you said we have to look at one circle and see how many dots are on the inside, you would be also correct. So what's the answer? 9 divided by 3 equals what? 3. Great job. Alright, this is our last problem. 12 divided by 3. How many groups do I need? 3. How many dots do I need to draw? 12. What do I need to remember when I'm drawing the dots? If you said to make sure each circle gets the same amount, you would be just doing amazing. So we need to draw 12 dots and make sure each one gets the same amount. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, so what is the answer? 12 divided by 3 is what? How do we solve the problem? If you said 4, you are correct. And if you didn't say 4, well, remember, you have to look at one circle and see how many dots are on the inside to figure out what the answer is. So great job. You're getting this division thing pretty well.